Hey, welcome back to Nexion Analytics, y'all. So today I have a special video in store for you. It's going to be a full cradle-to-grave Power BI dashboard from thought to display.
Nice.
Check this out. All right, so usually what I do is provide you short or curated videos specific to a topic. So rather than doing that, what I'm going to do today is provide you a scenario-based product. And this can be driven by a CEO's demand signal. So they may want to see a product, even in your general field right now, based upon a current problem set or even a future problem set. So what you have here in front of you is a scenario where the CEO or supervisor or leader, whomever, really asked us, hey, so we have a lot of turbulence coming up in the next 180 days, and I want to see our workforce composition over that period of time. So the three specific questions that were asked were, how many employees are set to be hired in the next 180 days? And who are they? How many employees are projected to leave in the next 180 days? Who are they and why? And what will the overall workforce composition look like after these changes? So off the bat, we have a lot of information that we have to display, right? We know we also have to bring in a lot of data too. So what I have is a bunch of sample data, and I'll guide you through all of it, read it, interpret it, and then we'll maneuver through the entire process of delivering that data through Power BI too. But just to give you the full agenda, so the first thing we're going to do is mind map in Lucid Chart. So we're going to take those questions that we have and build out the KPIs that we need. And what that will do will help us identify exactly how we have to curate our data and what calculations and measures we need to map out. The next thing we're going to do is take a quick tour of the data in Excel, which is what we'll ingest into Power BI. The next thing we'll do is connect the data to Power BI. So it's not going to be anything too crazy. It's just going to be Excel files, all static. And then we'll manage relationships. So we'll go into the relationship viewer, start making our connections between the tables. Then we'll dive into Power Query, ETL, clean and shape, transform all data as necessary. We'll go into table view transformations. We'll validate our columns, adjust any columns we have there as well, or curate new ones. We'll build any additional helper tables. We'll then build measures for hires, for losses, for net composition. And then we'll build the dashboard. So we'll finally curate the full aesthetic that we want to deliver and then make it brief and decision ready. And with that, we'll then take it to the last step, which is going to be generate decision points and recommendations. So obviously we have a lot to cover, so let's not waste any more time and dive right in.